Good morning, happy Saturday, welcome back to the kitchen. Today we're making something that I'm going to be the first to admit isn't super complicated, but I think it is going to be very tasty. We're going to make tomato mozzarella sandwiches. So in the oven we've got a lightly oiled piece of bread, just kind of heating up in there. And this is going to be lunch for the family, but we're making it together now as a test. Make sure it's okay. Just check on this bread. It's heating up there. I'm slicing this tomato very thinly. I want to be able to layer it on the sandwich. Here we have a big piece of fresh mozzarella. Don't know how much liquid is going to be in here, so let's be careful. Not too much. That's good. Watch on YouTube as a grown man struggles to open a package of cheese. Oh, this is really hard. I need a different kind of knife, I think. There we go. I need a knife for fromage. And I do have a fromage knife in the basement, but I don't have it up here. Okay, okay. Very good. Here's our bread. And some fresh herbs. Basil would be a great choice. And then we are going to just drizzle this a little bit with garlic olive oil. Ooh, that looks pretty good. Let's give that a shot. Wow, it tastes great. The garlic olive oil really adds something, but if you don't have that, do not worry. Just olive oil is good. I would taste your cheese. Figure out how much salt is in this. A little sprinkle of salt could go a long way here. This is really good. This will be a great breakfast for me. It's going to be a great lunch for the family later. I hope you enjoyed this. That's it for today. Like, share, subscribe, do whatever you want to do to support the channel. Be sure to be kind to one another, and have a great day.